You want to build wealth without trading your time for money? I'm going to show you the 3 steps to create passive income empire, starting with as little as $100 and scale it into real estate portfolio that pays you every single month. Step 1. Master the 70-30 rule. The formula is simple but powerful. Live on 70% of your income. Use 10% to destroy personal debt and invest the final 10%. I have seen countless clients in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut grow from zero to serious investors by sticking to this. One client in Jersey used this clear debt and invest her first $10,000 into a DSCR finance rental. She now cash flows monthly, no W-2 needed. Step number 2, build multiple passive income streams. Where does that 10% investment go? Split it like this: 30% into dividends, paying stocks, companies that pay you for ownership. 30% into real estate, use DSCR loans to acquire 1 to 20 units properties. 30% into managed funds or private placements once you are accredited, and 10% in cash for liquidity and opportunity. A Queens investor I advised did exactly this. Today his tenants cover his mortgage and his stocks pay for his lifestyle. Step number 3, don't sell, leverage. The wealthy don't sell assets, they borrow against them. Use your real estate portfolio, tap into it with a DSCR cash out refinance. Have $100,000 in dividend stocks? Get a securities-backed line of credit. Want a car? Let your cash flow assets cover it, never your labor. This is the buy, borrow, repeat model. You build wealth while your investments work 24/7.
Let's get to work.
Yeah. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start building true financial freedom, start with these 3 steps. If you found this helpful, follow for more tips or schedule a free strategy call to see which DSCR program fits your next deal. Let's turn your next investment into real cash flow.